Stomach. First of all, this is esophagus. This is sphincter. This sphincter is also known as lower esophageal sphincter. This is also a sphincter, and this sphincter is known as pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter. So we are going to study about stomach and also esophagus. First of all, esophagus. What is the work of esophagus? Esophagus push food or bolus to stomach. How it pushes the bolus of the food to the stomach? Through peristalsis. Peristalsis. Rhythmic contraction is known as peristalsis. Now we are moving towards our main topic, that is stomach. Sphincters. First of all, LES sphincter. Lower esophageal sphincter. Lower esophageal sphincter. What are the purpose of lower esophageal sphincter? It prevents too much food to enter directly to the stomach. This sphincter is known as LES sphincter, and it prevents the food which coming from the esophagus to enter directly into the stomach in bulk amount. And it also prevents gastric reflux. It also prevents gastric reflux. If it is too loose, that sphincter is too loose, it causes gastric reflux. And if it is too tight, it won't allow food to enter in stomach, and it is very painful. It is very painful. Why it is too loose? The causes of too loose of that sphincter is hormonal, or maybe eating too much, and it will cause gastric reflux, which damages the esophagus. Now we're moving towards pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter does not allow this sphincter does not allow the food, the chyme, which already mixed, to leave stomach very early, but it tries to maintain the food for some time in the stomach for further processing. Then we are moving towards pepsinogen. Now it is the third point. This was B, this was A. Now pepsinogen and HCl. Pepsinogen and HCl. What is the purpose of HCl in stomach? HCl lowers the pH of the stomach. It lowers the pH of stomach. When pH of stomach decrease, when pH of a stomach decrease, it inhibits food-borne pathogens. And another advantage of lowering the pH is convert pepsinogen to its active form, that is pepsin. These are the two advantages of lowering the pH by HCl. Now we are moving towards our another point, that is, what is H. pylori? H. pylori is a special. What is H. pylori? H. pylori is a special type of bacteria that lives in stomach environment. There is acidic environment, and they also cause ulcers. Now we're moving towards our fifth point, that is intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factors. These are released from the stomach, inside of the stomach, intrinsic factors. These are very important. Why these are very important? Because they are important for vitamin B12 absorption. And what does vitamin do? Vitamin B12 is important for healthy red blood cells. And what if vitamin B12 is not present in sufficient amount? What happens then? Then there is a disease known as pernicious anemia that will occur. That is why it is very important. And what if intrinsic factors are not available in our body in sufficient quantity? Then what happens? Then we have to take injections of vitamin B12 intramuscularly. Next is renin or renin, and that is not the renin which you are familiar with. That is the other one, that is kidney release renin, but there is renin, renin. There is double N renin. It is also present in stomach. What does renin do? Breaking down of milk protein. And it is present in plentiful amount in babies.